Hi, I'm Guber, and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic. Today, I'm gonna put a childhood twist into the traditional bread pudding to make peanut butter and jelly bread pudding. First, let's preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, slice around half a loaf of day-old challah bread into large cubes. Make sure to not dice the bread too small. The smaller you dice them, the mushier your bread pudding will be. Then, place all the bread chunks onto a pan lined with a piece of parchment paper and bake for around 10 to 12 minutes. In a pan or saucepan on medium heat, combine half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1 cup of milk. Whisk continuously until all the peanut butter is melted and everything is well mixed. Then, pour the mixture into a bowl along with 3 cups of cold milk. Give it a little mix, then add 4 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix until everything is well combined. Just a little tip, make sure to prepare a bowl large enough to mix everything together. That's better. Take out the dried bread and place them all in the bowl with the peanut butter mixture. Gently mix it around to make sure all the bread chunks get submerged into the peanut butter mixture and let it soak for at least 1 hour. Before the 1 hour is up, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, take out a casserole pan and generously grease it with butter. Pour the bread pudding mixture into the greased pan. Place it in a preheated oven and let it bake for 45 to 55 minutes. While we wait for the bread pudding to bake, let's make the jelly sauce. In a small saucepan on medium heat, combine 3/4 of a cup of the jelly flavor of your choice along with a pinch of salt. Cook until the jelly turns into liquid. Then turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a little mix, then set it aside. Once the bread pudding is baked, take it out and let it cool down for at least half an hour. Then take out a nice slice for yourself and pour the jelly sauce on top. Finish it off with some powdered sugar. And there you have it. A warm, fresh, and peanut buttery slice of bread pudding that will for sure remind you of your childhood. Delicious.